Okay, you're going to want to start your tap by hand. Make sure you got it square. Should feed in alright unless your threads are terrible. Loop it down pretty good. Run her in and it'll start to cut a new thread. You can see how it cuts out the old thread and rethreads as it goes. Now I know you can use the old helicoil style, but I found them to be a little more finicky and not as reliable. Had great luck with these. I want to make sure on the back side that you're not running into the other end of your cylinder. Once you extract that,